Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about the FINALS Error Code TFGE0025. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when players try to start a game, but they are immediately kicked out and shown the error code. As per our research, there is no official explanation available for this error. But based on user reports, the error seems to be related to general server or game-side issues. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to reboot your device along with your internet. Simply turn off your device and your router. Then wait for a few minutes and restart both and check for the error. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the game or the Steam client. If any updates are pending, install them and check if this helps with the error. If the error persists, then try validating the game files in Steam. To do this, open Steam and go to your library. Then right-click on the Finals and select Properties. Under the Installed Files tab, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once the scan is complete, check for the error again. If the error continues, try connecting over a different network. It can be any alternate Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot. So connect over the other network and see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, it is most likely a server-side issue. In this case, wait for some time and try again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.